Hi guys, I'm Emelisa Maniego of Japan Group of Companies under Networld Hotel. I am the building administrator and a graduate and alumni of Philippine Women's University main campus, and I am from batch 1999 of BSHRM. Meljan, thank you very much for inviting me in sharing my knowledge and experiences uh, as a housekeeping manager and a laundry OIC. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Okay, we have questions to answer. Number one, can you explain the process and routine in laundry department? Well, of course, we need to have soiled linen from the rooms, and it will be the transport from room to laundry department. First, of course, we need to sort yung ating mga linens. Why? There are two things kung bakit. One is so that walang articles of the guest or the room amenities na masasama sa ating mga linen. Second, of course, we need to sort to make sure that our count and the balance of the linens are pare-pareho, like bedsheet to bedsheet, hand towel to hand towel, bath towel, and bath mats. It should be separated accordingly para malinis siya ng pantay-pantay. Okay, after we sort out, we need to put this into our extractor by batch, of course, and we need to make sure na manufacturing instructions are done, especially yung mga connections natin dyan, yung water supply, the chemicals, and the time bound of the process of washing. After that, once na we pull out it from the extractor, we put it on our dryer. Make sure also that the count of the weight must be properly monitored so that pare-pareho yung pagkakaroon nila ng drying, and we make sure na it is properly timed. And also next, after that, we put it on the foldable machine. Pag pinasok natin doon, you can fold it will be folded. But during the time nung kami nila Meljan until now, we are manually folding the linens. And after that, if the linens are for folding only, set aside na yon, count of course, and then deliver back to housekeeping department. Pero meron din kasi na katulad ng bed sheets, duvets, pillowcase that we need to process sa flat work so that flatten yung ating mga linens before we fold and before we deliver back to housekeeping. Okay, question number 2. How have you ensured quality control in your previous role as HK manager to your colleagues, especially in the laundry section? Well, of course, if you are the head of housekeeping or a laundry department, you should make sure that we adhere sa mga rules and regulations, standards ng ating process of delivering yung ating mga production by monitoring it. Of course, from time to time, you go and check, tama ba? And also, time to time, we check and we treat yung ating mga linens. Not all kasi, all things will be eliminated once na pinasok natin sa ating extractor and we wash it. Sometimes we need to make sure na to have a quality production, we need to make sure that we do the treatment, We do also checking ng quality ng mga linens natin. Sometimes kasi we process, but nagkakaroon siya ng graying. So we need to make sure na we do our treatment quarterly siguro. Pwede nating bilangin yung ating mga linen accordingly to make sure na hindi naman tayo magkakaroon ng problema when it comes to the production na kailangan gamitin ng ating housekeeping department. And we need to make sure na right chemicals yung ating mga ginagamit, the dilution, the stocks, dapat complete. Once na may nawala kasing isa or dalawang agent na ginagamit natin, nagkakaproblema tayo. The quality of the result of the production will be not that good kapag kompleto yung mga chemicals na ginagamit natin. And also, we also check the maintenance of our machines. Why? Sometimes kasi we can do what do you call this? You can do yung nagba-bypass tayo ng mga process. So, if our machine is in good condition, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng problema and the process of the washing and drying will be smooth. Okay, that's it. Number 3 question. How do you handle situation in managing laundry department? Actually, there's a lot of situation that you would encounter during the operations of laundry department. But well, the principle is you make sure that your preventive maintenance for your machine is in line, in process and monitor, and so that to ensure the quality of your production. There's always a situation like bagging down yung inyong washer and you need to pull out kasi kailangan nating matapos yung mga linens natin. So you, as a HK manager or a laundry department manager, you need to have a list of laundry alternatives, yung mga outside and outsourcing natin na malapit lang sa area nyo so that you have a backup in case your machine bags down. And sa mga naman, you need to make sure chemicals are all available whenever the operations is working. Make sure na you monitor it. Pwede naman quarterly kayo. Pwede rin namang monthly to order to the purchasing department and to deliver before matapos yung ating, maubos yung ating mga chemicals. Also, you need to have a, you need to have a par stock na if ever umabot na kayo dun sa certain quantity, dapat nyo nang i-order so that hindi tayo magkakaroon ng downtime or out of stock ng chemicals that would result to the delay of our production. And number 3, you make sure that your people are fit to work. Why? Because pag yung people natin absent na absent or may sakit, kawawa naman yung kawawa sila and kawawa din yung ating production because we need to make other people go overtime na mahirap. Actually, it's not just the money that we needed but also the rest that we needed sa mga tao natin whenever pa either laundry or housekeeping department. Also, when there is a complaint regarding your production, halimbawa, you're handling the laundry guest department or the section of the laundry. Well, kapag merong, we need to have a quality control. Kapag nilalabas yan or i-deliver na yan sa guest, we need to double check it. Usually, this is the work of the linen attendant of the housekeeping department na beforehand they deliver it, they double check it. So that wala tayong magkakaroon ng guest complaint. But if ever there would be, always listen to the guest, say sorry or apologize, and then after that, you redo the production or redo the process. If damaged talaga siya, we have no choice but to replace it and ask the guest if he has a preference nung ano natin, nung detailed, nung mga nasirang linen. And hopefully wala naman. Mahirap pagka ganun kasi kawawa din yung guest and kawawa din yung nag-produce. So be very careful about the quality of the linens, especially the dresses or the coats that are receiving from the guest laundry. We make sure na we read the specification in the side of the clothes para malaman natin how to process it properly. Okay. Question number 4. Okay. In your opinion, what are the most important qualities of a linen attendant staff to possess to be a laundry attendant? Well, of course, we need to have a fit to work body. Laundry is very, very tedious na area. Mainit and super duper na need talaga ng physical work. So, a laundry attendant or a linen attendant must have a fit to work body. Next, a person must be keen to details and organized. What do you mean keen to details? Of course, we need to make sure na he knows yung mga nitty-gritty ng mga damit if you're handling the laundry guest. Kapag naman iba yung pwesto mo, you need to make sure that details of all na pinapalabahan was being installed sa'yo. You should also be organized so that hindi nagkakahalo-halo yung mga gamit or mga linens ng iba't ibang department, especially if your laundry department caters to a lot of establishments na under dun sa inyong hotel. Just like with us, we have 3 different linens na sets of linens dahil meron kaming 3 different company na siniservan, which is Networld Hotel, Tenten Hotel, and SM Kenko company. So, if you are not keen to details and organized, pwedeng maghalo-halo to and then will result to loss of linen or transfer sa kabila and transfer sa kabila. So, it's not good. So, a person that is a laundry attendant or a linen attendant must possess these keen to details and organized qualities. Also, he or she must be adaptable and flexible in any situations that we're going to happen during the operations. Why? Of course, sometimes nagkakaroon tayo ng mahabang time because of yun nga, nagkakaroon ng absent or sometimes volume of linens that need to process accordingly. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng ano. So, if you're not adaptable or you're not flexible, sabi mo, ay, ayoko mag-overtime or ayoko gumawa kasi pagod na ako. And that's it. These are things na dapat naman po hindi regular na nangyayari yung overtime. It should be properly monitored and coordinated sa ating mga management, yung mga process of time and of course the process of making sure na enough yung ating employee or staff in the laundry department. Of course, knowledgeable in the work. What is the qualities you need to have? Of course, everything can be anything can be learned. But if you wanted to be a linen or laundry attendant, dapat we need to make sure that we have the knowledge about the department. Napunta lang ako kasi walang choice. No. Laundry department is one of the very important very, very important department in hotel or hospitality industry. Without this, mapa in-house or outsource, without this, hindi magiging maganda yung presentation or room process. Siyempre, kapag hindi napapalitan, hindi nalalaban, what would happen? So, laundry is very, very important. That's why we make sure that people that in place in that department is very knowledgeable to their job. They need to know yung mga linens, quality, ano ba siya, kinds of tela. We need to make sure to know how to process it during laundrying and drying of the linens or of the clothes of the guest. We need to make sure na constant yung ating marites sa ating mga industry friends about ano ba yung trending ngayon. We need to make sure na we are on track. May mga bago bang lumalabas na machine for the laundry or any other way, any chemicals that's new in the field about laundry. And we make sure also na we are happy in doing our job. Just like what I said every day or every blog or every reels that I have, there are people born to be housekeeper. And now, I'm telling you, there are people that born to be a laundry attendant or a laundry associates. They are the ones that have the love for this job, the love to elevate the process, elevate the monitoring and checking of all of this process and production because they love it. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for inviting me, Meljan. Thank you for letting me share my knowledge and my experiences about being a laundry or housekeeping manager. Thank you, Meljan. Meljan is a student of Philippine Women's University Main Campus, BSHRM, ETEEP, ETAP. ETAP ba yan? Thank you. BSHRM, ETEAP. Thank you very much. See you and hope to hear from you again. Bye, everyone.